Here we go on this nice, humid, 100-degree fall day. Breeze. Seen this at Walmart. Went ahead and grabbed it. It's Black Ops Sweet and Salty Dare Mineral Attractant White Out. Black Ops White Out. But it's got a picture of a nice buck on the front. And let's give y'all some literature reading here with the Bohemian Hunting Club. Take your whitetail recon to the next level by deploying Black Ops White Out Mineral Attractant. Whitetail simply cannot resist the scent of Black Ops White Out. It's on the bag. It must be true. And will be drawn to it immediately. Use this attractant solo or pair. We're going to go ahead and pour this out and see what we can get. Damn. I think I punctured the bag because I smell something good. Black Ops. Oh wow. It has like a kind of like a grape soda. Grape soda salty smell to it. So it's kind of cool. Kind of cool. So we're going to just stick it back here. Got it. Nice big pile of it. We'll see if they're actually hitting on it or not. There's the bag. Y'all can see it on the ground. We'll see what happens with it. Well, on the Black Ops White Out, you can definitely see within the first night they were definitely in on it. So that's a good deal. Ain't running anything off, so not too bad. Not too bad at all. So you can see that's where I had that salt poured down, and they are definitely got the ground. If you compare around it, the ground is definitely more dug into right where that was piled up. So I would say it is a success. That is something to look into getting and buying and putting out. It does look like it tends to work. So there you go. That'll do it.